Hello traders, this is under commodity trade. The pair is US oil. This is not a pair, I beg your pardon, this is US oil. Sometime I do the analysis, I like this commodity. The other is gold. So let's do it and see what is happening. The larger range is this one, this black on the bottom and this black on the top. If we consider this big range, then 50% of it is somewhere just above the red line, this red line. So this is the 50% of the actual bigger range, but we can see the price is moving around this top and bottom here, so we disregard this bigger range. But if we draw a trend line, we see that the monthly trend line has been broken long back. It has been broken in August 22, and now it is hovering in between this range. So we'll consider these two red lines, and we'll disregard the monthly. We just put it there just to see that the monthly trend line, the upward traction, has been broken already. No market can keep on going above, and no market can keep on coming down. So this was the price when COVID and the oil went on Wednesday 1st April 2022 in negative, and this is the last time we have seen something unusual. It was negative actually. If we actually adjust the price correctly, it will be somewhere here, and you can see the price is coming to a negative zone. If we increase it, you guys can see this is a very big phenomena to be discussed in the days to come as a reference that anything can go low and negative. So when anyone purchase the oil, they have been paid rather than they will pay for the oil. Anyhow, coming back to this range, this is the range the market is operating for a good number of months. You can see from here, it came down, it went up, it came down, and this is the situation at the moment. And here what I have found that it made a double top here. So I would like to remove this, just put the red line to see the double top, and the double bottom has been created here, but not in monthly. Monthly we have a double top, this green and red. This green and red has created this double top, just I have erased. This is the double top area which has been created in monthly. Hold on guys, hold on. This is the area has been created by monthly double top. So we put the red line at the top of the market depth. So this is a double top area. In bottom, we cannot we find a double bottom here from this red and green and this red and green. So if we draw a line here, a box again, this is the price zone actually for the double bottom. So this double top has pushed the price back here, and this double bottom has pushed the price on the bullish side, and this is bearish side. And if we consider the market depth, then we should consider this green, this red and green, and this red and green. So now our market range, if we move to 50% now, again back to our this smaller range, we can see that the market is the 50% is lying here, and the market is just below the 50%. Now what caused this thing to stop the price here? That was my question. So I couldn't find anything here, apart from I would like to show you guys the market imbalance has been left here. Is this guy, this is the market imbalance currently lying in the market, which has not addressed. And again, coming back to the market imbalance, there is another thing, this from this to this, another market imbalance has been left from the this shadow of this candle, you guys can see, and the shadow of the screen, the top shadow of the screen is left here, and these are the two area which has been unaddressed still now. Basically this was here, on December here, but in January it has been taken out a lot of the market imbalance and has made it something like this, and try to break the 50% to move upward after making this double bottom, the bottom. But we have not found any bottom in the monthly time frame. We will try the lower time frame to find what is happening. Now the market has came down again to its lower price in bearish mode, as it has break the trend line. But the thing is this, which is very important to understand, that yet in monthly time frame it has not taken out this lowest portion yet. So I cannot tell the market to be bearish at the moment until it is take out this area. This is the area the market should take out first, because this is the a point from where the market got bullish, and it is tested once here, moved up again, went bullish and came down. Now again it didn't reach, so the lower is moving slowly from lower low to higher low to higher low. You understand, guys? So this is again another new trend. Maybe market is will start going like this. So that is an option or a thing we need to consider. Coming back to weekly, then I found that the reason which we fail to understand why the market has started moving from this area, let me mark this area, why it got bullish here. So if we go to weekly now, we can see that this red and green and this red and green, again this red and green has made this bullish immediately. So this happened in weekly double top, so we can remove it now. So this is the weekly double top. So let enable it in monthly, so you understand what happened in monthly, why the price stopped there and moved upward. Okay, so the monthly, this is the area from where the double top has happened. This is the area, and let me mark it properly. It should be like this. Okay guys, and the price zone is something like this, but I'm going to remove the price zone right now, because we have a lot of things to address, otherwise the chart will become very clumsy. So after making double top on the monthly here, it moved down here and it made a double top in weekly. So now the chart has shifted again. If we measure this from here to here, and you guys see the middle has been shifted from this previous red dotted line to this line now, and this is this middle is created by this double bottom created from here. So why price has stopped in the 50%? Is it for this wider range? I mean, not the biggest range, the black one, but is it for this wider range, this red and this red? And you have seen that exactly it has just stopped in the 50% without any reason, and that cannot be possible. So, and it came out, the market got bearish like anything. It started declining in the last week like anything. It is engulfing, it engulfed the whole thing, and this is a very powerful pattern. It is called, if I am not wrong, so far I think that the market started a gap up on Monday on 28th 9th January, and then it started moving down, and this candle is completely engulfed and inside this candle. So this is a very big candle. Let me check something, what this pattern is called. Can you guys hold on a second please? Bearish trend is starting a very strong signal, so keep that in mind. So I would like to, because you guys can see this is a very unusual pattern. It is called outside bar candlestick pattern, and this is the bearish quite bearish signal here. Moving back, why it is stopped in this 50%, and we have not found any double top here. Here we do with this red, green and red, we need a double top. In monthly, no. In weekly, we don't have here anything relating green and red. And if we move back to day now, and you guys can see this this green and red, and this green and red, it has got bearish. So this is a very huge supply area from where the prices started went down, and this was our, I think, 1 month back. I analyzed that if this box is broken, the price will move up from here, and it did move up. But at the same time, I say it has the chance. So let's get rid of this at the moment. We don't need this. A lot of things to be removed. Let's remove this box also. So this is what happened, that we have an official double top in daytime frame here, and we use the blue color, and we want it solid. What happened? Okay, let's put it so you guys can see in that. I think we need to go to the month to adjust something. Let's put it a little bit above. This is the area, I think. Yeah. Okay, coming back today now. Yes. So this will be the same area. Okay, but the color changes, so I put a little bit gap so you can see the blue color. Okay, so this is the day double top has been happened from here, and actually if we want it, the double top should be here, considering the depth of the market. And now we have a new range from here to here. So what I am expecting, that the price should move to 50% on the downside after making this double top here in day. So you guys can see it has already crossed the 50% area of the day. Even the price has crossed, and this is it has crossed. And why did it stop here? So I want to see in weekly, is there any reason that there is a double bottom here? Yes, we do. In monthly, if we go, we don't see any double bottom here. Why it is stopped here? But in weekly, we can see that this green and red, again this red and green, or if we consider this red or green, so there is a very good here. You can see this this was the double top where the area we have marked before, and it is a little bit above. Okay guys, a little bit above here, considering this and this area, because this is the depth of the market. It is not here, it is rather here. So if we change the color again here, and if we do the double bottom here, so the price, the range has been, again this range is taken out, this 50% is gone. Now we have a range from here to this daily double top, right guys? This is a daily double top, and it's a weekly double bottom. So the range has shifted from within this range, and we are expecting to put the price come here, and the price should come back here now. That is the way I think at the moment. So this is the place 75.14 I am expecting. Now why? Question is why I am expecting that. So let's remove this for the moment and put a solid line again above this. This is the line, solid line. If this red and green, again this green and red we consider in weekly. So there is a double bottom here, we can see very clearly. Now if we go to daily, can we see a double bottom in daily also? No, we don't have any candle here. So we want what about 4 hours? No, we don't have anything here at the moment. So but this is the area we can see that the price has been rejected from here. Here This is the thing from where but it has not created yet anything significantly. And thing is this, let's go to daily. So we understand in daily that what are the what we call is the imbalance has been created here in daily. You guys can see, right? This is the imbalance created here, and this imbalance has been taken out. This candle has been taken out by this and this, and also a little bit of imbalance has been left here in daily. Okay guys, if we go to weekly, and the whole candlestick is imbalanced in that sense, because the prices never came back to this area, testing this area in weekly at all. And also this is inside, so imbalance has been created here, also imbalance has been created on the top. So far, to the best of my understanding on daily price pattern, I can see very my way of thinking is this: the market is at the moment bearish. At the moment the market is bearish at the moment, though it is, the price has been resisted by this area. At this point we don't have a double bottom yet, and maybe price could have been went down more. So these are the daily imbalance which has need to be addressed, number one. Number two is this, that we must check out the imbalance we have been left here. First imbalance here we can see is you guys can see that this imbalance in daily has been left. This imbalance has been left here daily. This is one area the price should come now to fulfill the to take out this imbalance. Apart from that, we need to check the weekly too. No, week 2 we don't. Rather I wait this one to mature, go up, come down, retest, fail to cross this 50% on the top side. I will take a trade here. On the other side, if the price moves on, break the 50%, then try to came down and again test the 50% area and fails to break the 50% on the downside, then I will take the long. So this is the area where I have to take my decision, and I have to wait for the price to come and retest, and then only then I will try to take my trade. So for commodity traders, you can give it a try. This is the best I can do. Guys, I would like to request you to subscribe, follow. I will really appreciate your subscription or following my channel. Thank you very much.